the Attaboy. This cocktail sounds like it's a brand of pet biscuits. Secondly, you'd be forgiven if you thought this drink bears an uncanny resemblance to the mouthwash you used to get at the dentist back in the 1990s. And yes, we do have dentists in the UK, unlike the media want you to believe, and this will obviously taste better and be better for your wallet. And before we move on, please feel free to subscribe. The ingredient lineup: London Dry Gin, Dry Vermouth and Grenadine, which I've added to a dropper. Let's kick this off by adding 2 ounces, that's 60 ml of London Dry Gin, to our mixing glass. Then add 1 ounce, that's 30 ml Dry Vermouth. Lastly, add 4 drops of Grenadine. And that looks like a sink in a pub after a big fight, but I promise you it's going to look better. We're going to add some ice. This is not the best quality stuff, and I'm going to give this a stir for around a minute, and it's going to sound a bit like gravel in a washing machine. History-wise, this cocktail is one of Harry Craddock's and it's from his 1930 Savoy Cocktail Book. Drain this into a chilled Deconstruct glass, then garnish with a lemon peel, which I've added to one of those mini pegs. The taste test. Firstly, if you like a martini and want to mix things up, this is definitely a drink to give a go. It's essentially a wet martini with a tiny hint of sweetness. You taste the botanics in the gin, and the gin really does the main sort of pulling in this drink. And then you do get the herbal notes and the vermouth. It's a really silky and smooth drink. And I think the key to that is stirring and chilling well. The Grenadine does give us sort of faint sweetness in the background. It's not really too sweet, but it's a nice drink, and I'm going to give this a solid 7.3 out of 10.